Hello again and welcome to another video in our website design tutorial. In the last video I showed you how to prepare by installing your plugins, adding a theme, and changing some website settings so we can get ready to build our website. So in this video we're going to actually build our website. We're going to start from our home page. It's like the first page people are going to see when they come to your website. Before you build a website, it is always good to have a plan. Most of the time I prefer to have a mock-up, like a design view of what I want to build. If I'm creating a website for a client, it allows the client to see the end result of what I'm going to build. The best thing to do is to have a plan and show your clients that plan. Let all the changes be made on that plan. I'm going to give you an example of a plan. This is what we're going to be building. I already have this design from scratch to finish. Okay, so this is the home page. This is the services. So this is what I mean by having a plan. If you're a graphics person, you can do this on either Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, or Adobe XD. But I prefer to use Adobe XD, and maybe I'm going to do another tutorial on how to use that one. You can use Sketch to do the same thing also. So I'm just going to keep this open. This is what we're going to start with. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard. Now the first thing is we need to create this, our header. We have our navigation bar, we have our social media navigation here, and then we have our logo. So let's create that first of all. So the navigation bar requires us to put those pages, and we need to create those pages first before we can create our menu, navigation menu. Okay, so we come to pages and we're going to click on add new, and we're going to add the rest pages. We have 3 more pages to add. So we're going to add about, we're going to say, see, I want us to hide the titles of all these ones. Okay, click on new and click on page again. We're going to say services, hide title, publish twice. Once that is done, we go to this plus sign here at the top and click on page. And then the third one, which is the last, is contact. Click on hide title, publish twice, and we're done with that. So after creating our pages, we can now create the menu. To create the menu, we'll go to appearance and we'll see menu. So it has already helped us to create a menu sort of, but there are some things we don't need here. Like we can see we have 2 home pages there, and then we have this sample page, which is not part or shouldn't be part of our menu. So we're going to remove one of the home pages, and then we're going to remove the sample page by clicking on the arrow. If you click on this arrow to the right here, it's going to bring out a drop down. At the bottom you see remove in red. Click on that, and then that removes it. We can rename this menu, can rename it main menu. We also need to reorder this menu. I want it to be home, about, contact should be at the last. So you can just drag, it's a drag and drop thing. You can just drag it, pick it up and drop it at the bottom there. If you want to create maybe a sub menu, all you have to do is to move this to the right, and then this now services becomes a sub menu of about. But we don't want that, just wanted to show you. Then you have to make sure this display location is clicked. This says that it should this is the primary menu, and then we click on save menu, either at the top one or the bottom one. Anyone is fine. The next thing is to add our logo and our favicon. To do that, you go to appearance again and then click on customize. Then you click on site identity, and you're going to see a place where you click so you can add a logo. So you click right here, select logo, and I already have some logos here. To upload your logo, you click on upload files here and click on select file, and then choose which logo you want to. But since I already have the logo here, I think I do. Yes, this one. I just click on it and then click on insert. I'm going to skip the cropping because I don't need it to be cropped, right? Then there's also something to apply your fab icon. If you look at the fab icon, is this little icon at the top left, just beside your title. Click on site icon, and then we're going to choose this. It's best to use a PNG image so you can make the background transparent, and then select. We don't need to crop this, it's just fine as it is, and then it has applied it as a fab icon. Make it 512 by 512 as recommended here. Then we click on publish. We go back and we can click that X there just to exit this. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.